let's welcome our special guest, Mr. Bhavya Gandhi, who is a well-known Indian actor and also an alumnus of our Ryan and St. Xavier's Group of Institution. The pressure of such a wonderful personality is a blessing. I hope that we students would seek a little guidance and imbibe something from his thoughts.
What was the best advice that you remember till now given by your teacher?
All my teachers have given me this. You focus on your studies, everything, rest, everything will happen on its own. You just focus on your studies, right? So technically they taught me how to focus on my present more than anything else. So thank you to all my teachers.
Why do you think you left your TV serial, The Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
I was done with my 12th standard in Tarak Mehta and I wanted to go in the college, and here I am in the college trying to understand and learn new things. But definitely I miss my school, so I miss my Tarak Mehta set, definitely.
We all saw you as a kid from a grown-up in the most famous show of India, Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. So what did you learn from it in these years, and also what was your experience and how was it learning from Vidya sir?
It's okay to do mistakes. It's okay you have done wrong. But it should not be a wrong intended thing. Like, you should be innocent. One should be innocent from inside, maybe somehow. You cannot be innocent, but the thought should be innocent. Like, you should be so pure that galti ho gayi, it's okay. Like, abhi nahi hogi. So that's what I learned from that character, that Tapu was so mischievous, he was so notorious. But at the end, he was innocent inside. He didn't know कि वो जानबूझ के नहीं कर रहा था. He was just doing because he felt good. He felt that कि बोलो को भी मजा आएगा. But so something like that, yeah. And my experience was great, yeah. My experience was amazing. I learned a lot of things. Whatever I am right now, however I'm talking, it is because they have taught me that. Dilip sir, my father who played my father, Jethalal, Mandar uncle, Bhede uncle, Dadaji, the directors of the show, the producer of the show, the writers of the show, editor of the show. I used to talk to them frequently, and that's why maybe I was so attached to the show.
Who is or was that one person who wasn't a teacher by profession but taught you a lot in your life or in the path of success?
My parents, my brother, anybody and everybody who were elder to me, they have taught me so much, and I don't even have a note of what they have taught me. So it's like like a plate of something which has been filled by the whole garden.
How do you celebrate Teachers' Day in your school?
On Teachers' Day, what we used to do, we used to go to meet all the teachers. The teachers who are in the staff room, the teachers who are in the library, the teachers who are in some other, some like a prayer room or science lab, wherever they are. We used to just go them and greet them, and we used to say them Happy Teachers' Day, and we used to give them chocolates. If I remember, we used to give them chocolates, and we also used to have in our school. We also used to have a small gathering of people, and we used to celebrate it.
What is the similarities between Bhavya and Tapu? And also, have you ever break someone's windows like you break in Bhides in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
No, I've never done that. Never. I came in contact with this character Tapu when I was very young, and I learned a lot of things from that character. I understood a lot of things from that character, and I did it for a long time. So there is a difficulty to choose that, ye Bhavya ne bola ya Tapu ne bola. So I don't know, like even during my films, I asked my director that, did it sound like Tapu? Was it Bhavya? Sure. So, okay.
Is it easier to play the character of Tapu, or you just be yourself on the stage?
When we do something every day with all our hearts and power, what happens is that you cannot see a difference between you and that character. So when I'm on stage, I'm Bhavya. But somewhere inside, there is a small Tapu also inside. So I am definitely Bhavya even right now, even on the set, even everywhere. I'm Bhavya only. But yeah, like sometimes it just comes. That Tappu just comes.
What was your best episode? That would you like to do it again in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma?
Maybe the Bhutni, when you know on the set, Bhutni comes and everybody's afraid कि अरे Bhutni आ गई. So I think I want to do that episode again because it was a fun shooting episode. We used to shoot whole night and it was fun.
Would you like to share some fond memories of your school life?
When I was in 9th, I used to spend a lot of time in science lab because I had missed a lot of classes. Library was busy with few things and that's why मेरे हिस्से में science lab आया था. And I used to study a lot in science lab. And that was the reason I scored good in science in my 9th and 10th. So I used to, read a lot of things about, all the chemicals, and I really thought that after the school I'll take science. I was so sure, but then my brother told that you won't be able to, manage both. You relax. You just you do study and like you do whatever you can, but science is too difficult for you.
What is the driving force behind your success?
My belief. I often say this, that I believe in belief because that's all you need to get somewhere.
I'm really feeling proud that I'm in such an institution where we have very good alumni, and this is something very proud and privileged for me, I can say. And today's session was really very good. I would really like to thank Chairman Sir and Managing Director, also not forgetting us, Ryan PV, and also keeping our students in mind. This session was conducted for our school. Really, I'm very happy with this interactive session. Thank you, Ryan team, once again.
Behind you, I just saw that Ryan Aifa, and I remembered one thing, that my stage fear has gone because of that word. I was anchoring one of the things and I was so afraid. I said, no, I cannot do this. And I was there and I did it and I'm like, ab to dar nahi. I'm ab mujhe dar nahi.
We all are really inspired by your great words. On behalf of Ryan International School, Arajan, St. Xavier's High School, Borivali East, and St. Xavier's High School, Vapi, I would like to extend a very hearty vote of thanks for the inspiring motivational talk. I'd like to thank our Ryan faculty for providing us with this opportunity so that we could interact with you and learn a lot of things. I'm sure we all have a lot to take from this session. I wish you a very good luck for your future and may God bless you in all your future endeavors. Thank you.
I really want to thank Pinto sir, Ryan sir, madam. I really want to thank everyone who is a part of Ryan, who always supported me in whatever I was doing. So it means a lot. And whenever I see a child wearing St. Xavier's High School ka tie, I feel very proud. I feel like, yeah, man, I was from that school. And I don't know, I'm speaking, I'm getting goosebumps, but I'm just very proud of my school. And school is the only reason I'm here right now. Thank you so much for all the teachers and all the students. Thank you so much.
गांधी जी ने तो कहा था कि दुश्मनों से भी प्यार करना चाहिए.
તમને તમારો જવાબ મળી જશે.
टार्गेट समझाए बेटे को.
आज निराशा राम बाबू.